of course, is also the 12th anniversary of the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks. This day, 12 years ago, 10 Pakistani terrorists came via the sea route and attacked Mumbai. 166 people from 15 countries were killed in the Pakistan state-sponsored terror attack. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid his respects to the braves who made the supreme sacrifice of their lives fighting Pakistan state-sponsored terror. He also had a very clear and a stern message for terrorists and states that sponsor terror.
"12 years ago, on this very day, Mumbai bore the brunt of Pakistan-sponsored terror. On November 26, 2008, 10 LET terrorists from Pakistan arrived by sea route and opened fire, killing 166 people and injuring several others during the 60-hour siege in Mumbai.
2008 में पाकिस्तान से आए, पाकिस्तान से भेजे गए आतंकियों ने मुंबई पर धावा बोल दिया था। इस हमले में अनेक लोगों की मृत्यु हुई थी।
The terrorists laid siege to some of the most prominent places like the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, the Oberoi Trident, the Taj Mahal Hotel, Leopold Cafe, Kama Hospital and the Nariman House. "18 security personnel laid down their lives in the terror attack. Terrorists working on direct instructions of their handlers in Pakistan went on a killing spree, holding innocent civilians to ransom, raining bullets and hurling grenades. As terror engulfed Mumbai, an army of young brave souls jumped into action to protect others. 9 terrorists were killed by the security forces, including the elite NSG commandos, Marine commandos, along with the Mumbai police.
वापस फायरिंग करने की कोशिश की तो हमने उसको मैंने पिस्टल से उसके ऊपर 3 राउंड फायर कर दिए और उसको वहाँ जख्मी कर दिया। उस वक्त कसाब बाजू की सीट पे हैंड्सअप स्थिति में बैठा हुआ था और जैसे हम ड्राइवर की ओर बढ़ रहे थे तो कसाब ने दरवाज़ा खोल के वो बाहर उतरा तो कसाब ने अपने जैकेट के अंदर जो छुपाई हुई थी AK-47 निकाली और उन्होंने जैसे फायरिंग किया तो उसके सामने हमारे तुकाराम ओमड़े जी आ गए और वो फायरिंग हमारे तुकाराम ओमड़े जी को लगी, फिर भी उन्होंने बैरल को पकड़ लिया।
Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshari and Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray paid floral tributes to the braves who laid down their lives fighting for their city. Ever since the horrifying attack, while Pakistan continues to plot more terror, India has unleashed a new template to punish them. Be it Uri surgical strike or Balakot air strike, the message to Islamabad is loud and clear. India won't hesitate to punish the terror from the soil it emanates.
मुंबई हमले के जख्म भारत भूल नहीं सकता। अब आज का भारत नई नीति, नई रीति के साथ आतंकवाद का मुकाबला कर रहा है।
The Imran Khan government, under intense pressure from the Narendra Modi government and agencies like anti-terror watchdog FATF, has arrested Jamaat-ud-Dawa chief Hafiz Saeed. But he enjoys military hospitality, according to reports. It's time Pakistan walked the talk and punished the real perpetrators of Mumbai attacks. With Mustafa Sheikh, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.